Hey everyone, want to try out Google Veo3, the powerful new AI video tool, but you're in India and it's not available yet. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to access it from India completely free in just 2 easy steps. Stick with me, this works like magic. To do that, open your Chrome browser on your laptop or PC and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, create a free account if you don't have one already. Now your browser is set up to act like it's in the US, and we're ready for step 2. That will take you directly to the Google Veo3 Early Access page. You'll be asked to enter some basic payment info, but don't worry, this is just for verification, so you're 100% safe. Quick tip. After activating Veo3, you can switch off your VPN while using the tool if it starts slowing your connection. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. I've got more tech hacks and smart tools coming your way every week. Happy creating. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting that like button, drop a E key in the comments to let me know it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more tech. Tools coming your way every week. Thanks for watching. Enjoy creating with Google Veo3, and I'll see you in the next one.